Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Invisible Bookends is probably one of the most ingenious yet understated home accessories you never knew you needed, transforming cluttered shelves into a display of floating literary art, offering a sleek, minimalist aesthetic that allows your books to take center stage without visual distraction, and providing sturdy support that keeps your collection neatly organized and beautifully presented. Number 5. MerryNine Clear Acrylic Bookends. Crafted from high-quality acrylic, these bookends feature a stable L-shaped design. They are sturdy and durable, capable of supporting multiple books for extended periods. Unlike colorful alternatives, their transparent design offers superior practicality. They effortlessly complement any bookcase or desk, making your desired books easily accessible. Measuring 7.08 by 4.72 inches, these book holders are perfectly sized. Their elegant arch design adds a touch of sophistication to any setting. Featuring smooth, flat, and curved edges, they ensure your fingers and books are safe from scratches. Remember to peel off the protective film before use for optimal clarity. For best results, place your books on a vertical tabletop. Keep both stands close together to ensure even force and prevent tipping. What we like? This product stands out with its transparent design, blending seamlessly into any decor. If you are looking for a minimalist aesthetic that doesn't distract from your books, this is an excellent choice. Its clear, L-shaped design is perfect for modern homes or offices where subtlety is key. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. Number 4. Muso Wood Walnut Bookends. Crafted from premium American walnut wood with a heavy, sturdy metal base, these bookends bring a touch of nature to your desk. Their thick material ensures robust support for your collection. Equipped with non-slip foam pads on the bottom, they stay firmly in place, preventing any unwanted sliding. These pads also protect your surfaces from scratches when you reposition them. Their clever L-shaped design maximizes shelf space, allowing you to place more books right to the edge. They are perfect for organizing books, movies, and more, making them an ideal gift for any reader. Combining solid wood and iron, they enhance any room with a natural, modern aesthetic. These bookends will make your living space, office, or library feel more relaxed and inviting. Should you have any questions, our friendly customer service team is always ready to assist you. Your satisfaction is our top priority and drives us to continually improve. What we like? Crafted from premium American walnut wood with a sturdy metal base, this item adds a touch of natural elegance. If you appreciate classic, modern design and natural materials, this will enhance your space. It's ideal for those who want to combine functionality with a warm, inviting aesthetic. What people say. Number 3. TILISMA Handmade Walnut Wooden Bookends with Metal Base. Elevate your home or office decor with these elegant bookends. They are perfect for beautifully displaying your favorite books, vinyl records, or even DVDs. Add a touch of sophistication to any room. Designed with a robust triangular shape, they effortlessly hold even your heaviest books. Their non-slip base ensures everything stays securely in place, even in a child's room. These take up minimal space while providing maximum support. Make a statement about taste and style with this artistic piece. It's an ideal present for anyone who appreciates fine craftsmanship, from librarians to teachers. This gift is sure to impress. Each piece is uniquely crafted to perfection by skilled artisans in Georgia. The durable metal base adds extra stability and longevity to its beautiful design. This ensures a unique and high-quality item. With compact dimensions, they are designed to fit seamlessly on any shelf or desk. They hold books of all sizes firmly, while maintaining a stylish and unobtrusive presence. Their precise measurements ensure versatility. What we like? These bookends are handmade from the finest walnut wood with a durable metal base, offering unique craftsmanship. If you value artisanal quality and a distinctive, elegant look, this product is designed for you. It makes a thoughtful gift for book lovers who appreciate unique, handcrafted items. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted as per instructions. Therefore, the minimum item requirement for the reviews array cannot be met with original content. Number 2. Mr. Pen Bookends Black 4-Pack. This package provides 4 sleek black bookends, perfect for enhancing organization in both your office and home environments. They are designed to bring order and style to any room. Crafted from high-quality iron, these bookends are exceptionally thick and sturdy. This robust construction ensures they won't easily bend or scratch, providing long-lasting durability. Each bookend features 3 non-slip foam pads on its base. These pads keep your books firmly in place, allowing you to easily remove a single item without disturbing the rest. With their smooth surfaces and carefully rounded edges, these bookends are designed with care. They prevent any scratches or scuff marks on your valuable shelves and beloved books. They help you neatly classify various items like books, magazines, CDs, and DVDs. Using them will make your home more beautiful and significantly tidier. What we like. This set provides excellent value with 4 heavy-duty metal bookends, perfect for extensive organization. If you need a practical, robust solution from multiple shelves or a large collection, this pack is incredibly convenient. Its simple, sturdy design is ideal for offices, schools, or anyone needing reliable support without fuss. What people say. Number 1. LED Book Nook 3D Wooden Puzzle Kit. This kit captures charm and intricate detail. It's a fun, creative project that combines miniature house building with model kits. Assemble each element to recreate an enchanting street scene right on your bookshelf. Equipped with an LED light module, it creates both day and night scenes, adding depth to your decor. With frosted glass windows and realistic shop signs, this kit allows you to create another world within your library. Ideal for beginners and experienced hobbyists, this kit comes with a step-by-step guide. It takes approximately 12 to 24 hours to complete, providing an engaging, hands-on activity and a sense of accomplishment. Constructed with quality wood and premium materials, this kit is built to last. Once complete, it serves as a unique, magical decorative bookshelf insert. It's also compatible with dollhouse accessories for customization. This miniature kit is an ideal gift for birthdays, Christmas, and special occasions. It's suitable for book Nook lovers and anyone who enjoys diorama kits, offering both a meaningful present and a memorable experience. What we like. This unique item is an immersive DIY kit that transforms into a decorative bookshelf insert with realistic LED lighting. If you enjoy creative projects and want to add a magical, miniature world to your library, this is perfect. It's an engaging activity for adults and teens, resulting in a truly unique piece of decor. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.